Alright, this is our last song. Everybody's kind of left except for drunk guy. He's still hanging around. I don't even know if he's conscious. We should probably call a paramedic after this last song, but
he hasn't moved an inch since the beginning of the show.
We won't stop believing. So how convenient. We're gonna play Don't Stop Believing. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Thank you all for coming out. You guys have been a great crowd.
Hold on, we gotta do that again.
Yeah. That concludes today's performance. Bye.
We have to do that one more time.
I don't think so. That was perfect.
Yeah, but nobody knows why he's running towards the stage. Just this random monkey in a red suit just flops by.
He fucking jumped pretty far.
You suck!
Get off the stage!
Oh shit!